Morning everybody and welcome to On Safety. Excuse me. Today I thought we'd just cover another common question, health and safety question, and that is, what information must employers provide employees and representatives? So in general, employers have a responsibility to provide information to all their workers, all right, and that's to enable them to know the risks and allow them to fully participate and effectively participate in consultations about their health and safety. So information can be provided in whatever form is most suitable, be that electronic, hard copy stuff, toolbox talks, etc., as long as it can be understood by everybody, and that's important. Not everybody has the same reading and writing level, so sometimes face-to-face, that face-to-face explanation can come across a bit better. Employees might need to make special arrangements for employees who don't understand English very well and can't read or have a condition that means they need to be given information in a different way. Safety representatives are entitled to see copies of any document that employers must keep under the health and safety law. For example, important findings of a risk assessment, information relating to occurrences of any accident, dangerous occurrence, or notifiable industrial disease. So employers should give employees and representatives information that lets them understand some of the following things: what risks and dangers are for their work, or could be if changes to their work which might affect their health and safety. So in general, sort of the risks and dangers in the course of their work, that's all going to come through risk assessments and everything else. But sometimes temporary works or permanent shifts in production, that can change layouts, can introduce new hazards. So we'd also have to let the employees know of those changes, because that's going to have an impact on them, if that makes sense. So next, what is done or will be done to reduce the risks and dangers? Okay, that can be communicated through a risk assessment, toolbox talks, etc. Yeah, most risk assessments, you're going to assess that risk. It'll get a risk rating. You may well already have some control measures in place, for example, but there may well be additional control measures to be implemented. So it's important that we communicate that to the employees as well. What they ought to do when they come across a risk or dangerous situation. So what we mean by that then, a good sort of case for that will be, for example, you've got some asbestos on the site, might be asbestos concrete or something like that. So you'd need to inform the employees, firstly, that it's there. You do that through toolbox talks, things like asbestos management plans, signage, all that type of stuff. But you should also communicate what they should do. If they notice that some of it's broken away, it's now on the floor, it's not in good condition anymore. So that then will become a risk or a dangerous situation, and they need to know what their sort of immediate actions are. And finally, they need to know the identity of the competent person when it comes to health and safety. That is why on the health and safety law poster, it's generally got health and safety representative with a name, first aiders with a name. So that's the type of information employers must provide employees and representatives. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like, subscribe and share. It's free to do. It's just going to help my Will on Safety community grow. But until next time, folks, remember, stay safe by choice and not by chance. Bye for now.